Good afternoon, and my name is meteorologist Kit Cloninger. It's 5:16 on this Saturday afternoon. We've had blizzard conditions across much of southeastern and eastern Nebraska over the past several hours this afternoon, and I wanted to track that out for you right now. Now, the major impact of this storm is the road conditions, so let's take a look at some of those right now from Nebraska 511. Lots of pinks and blues, which are completely or partially covered, but the purples you see just to the north of Grand Island there and around Hastings down south into Webster County and other counties around the Tri-Cities area. The dark purple shaded roadways is where travel is not advised. High snow accumulations, and that does also continue around the Norfolk, Albion, and Fremont and Omaha areas. Lots of places have had completely covered roadways. So let's take a look at that full now as we see that road conditions are very deteriorated. So a lot of wrecks have been reported already this afternoon. And this is video from Bart Bennettson of several trucks that were wrecked or backed up on Interstate 80 and Highway 281. Now, we're not sure where the wrecks have happened, but it appears that it was on 281 where we had some of those collisions. And this video also hearing the wind from the storm as well. Now, as we take a look at radar across the state, we've seen a lot of wind coming in behind this storm, but the major factors right now have been the heaviest snow totals to the south of the Tri-Cities area and into the Lincoln area. Even some lightning popping up in that area as well. We'll take a look at that in a moment. Here for the Tri-Cities, though, the back edge is moving through Kearney, so this is mostly wrapping up by the 6 o'clock when we have our news show. We'll likely be seeing most of that snow out of the Kearney area, moving through the Grand Island and Hastings area through the Tri-Cities and out towards the east. But still more snow coming for the Lincoln area out to Omaha. Heavy snow amounts as well as some lightning being reported just to the east there of Ashland. Now, as we take a wider look of this storm across the area, we've even had some severe weather in northeastern Kansas, but this storm is moving to the east, and by this evening it should be wrapping up. But we still do have a blizzard warning for the Adams County, south and east, and even into Platte County off in northeastern Nebraska and through most of Kansas and Nebraska into Iowa and Minnesota even. A winter weather advisory, which is until midnight tonight, will likely be canceled on the western edge and back towards the east. Most of the snow that we've been accumulating, we're looking around 6 to 9 inches from Smith Center up through the Omaha area. Some places could be higher than 9 inches as well, but behind this it's going to be windy, and we will continue to see those road conditions fairly poor across the area. Now, the winds right now reporting sustained around 20 miles per hour, but gusting upwards of 30 to near 40 miles per hour at times behind this low pressure center. We're going to continue to see those winds gusting this high as we head through the next several hours tonight. So keep in mind, if you are traveling, even if the plows have come through, you could see more blown over snow back over some of those roads. Looking at some of those future winds, we're looking at the things calming down by around tomorrow afternoon. But looking at the satellite and radar one last time, that back edge of snow is moving through the area. So if you don't have to head out, you would be advised to stay indoors for the next couple of hours as the Nebraska Department of Transportation continues to work at clearing some of those roads. Like I said, we'll be back on air at 6 o'clock with your full forecast and more news and sports, so stick around for that. Have a good day.